Good morning, and I welcome our principal sir, teachers, non-teaching staffs, and all my dear friends. It's Monday, and you can smell the freshness of the week and the enthusiasm filling this atmosphere. I'm Fatima Ruba, and once again I welcome you all to this morning assembly. Let's start today's assembly by remembering the God whose blessings will boost our energy to lead through thick and thin.
It's a remarkable honor to take this opportunity. May I request our beloved Principal Sir for addressing us.
To three categories. We'll be having three types of assembly. One assembly is cultural assembly. On this day, it may extend about 1 hour, and all the cultural activities and cultural programs will be included in the list. And it is not necessary that students should be followed all the time stood up until the assembly is over.
Members, and today's assembly is going to be conducted by them. I appreciate these students.
Second and final phase of polling for 22
India was aged both Russia and Ukraine.
Make yourself your own competition. Try to be better than yesterday, and trust me, you will.
Individual with the intention to hurt that person physically.
In airports were cool, fates already sunlight fast. Twilight hastens on to rule.
Hummingbird is the bird which can fly backward.
Unit of language which express a complete thought.
My brother is a librocubicularist. He always reads books in bed.
I'm going to say an interesting fact of Octopus. An octopus has 9. We are going to conduct a quiz competition. Are you ready to answer?
Would you allow me to say please for a while?
Yes, you may.
Every effort our Father is making for us.
Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was wonderful and eye-thrilling watch to see. And I request everybody to stand up now. We are about to end up the session. Everyone.